What's up, guys? Jordan Troxell here, and I work for Ken Roczen at Factory HRC Honda. A few of the parts here, some of my favorite or best parts that we have here on Ken's bike. A lot of them are works parts from HRC Japan. One is our triple clamp here. It's got a nice anodized finish that lasts all season. It takes a long time to wear off, and we got a couple different options and things that we can play with here. Also, it's a works foot peg that we run. These things stay pretty sharp, and I can get a full season or more out of these things and just touch them up once or twice. They really seem to take the abuse very well, so I really don't have to stress about these things very much. Another one is another works part, and that would be our HRC hubs, both front and rear. Really stoked on our hubs here at HRC. Fourth would be probably the skid plate. We had this made by a company called CMT this season, and it's been working out really well. Really gives a lot of undercarriage protection for our frame and our motor, and they've been holding up really well so far this season. Number 5 would probably just be this Yoshimura RS12 exhaust. Pretty simple, just the single-sided. We don't have a lot of issues. It passes sound first time right out of the box. Carbon tip, and we have some interchangeable things that we can do if we need to for sound, but so far, right out of the box, we really didn't do a whole lot with it.